Hey guys, Logan. Today I'm just telling you guys, I made a new YouTube account. It is Logan and Evan Adventures. And the video that I made on that account right now tells you about the channel and stuff. So you got, and it doesn't have any profile picture, or a banner. I'll see you guys next time. Or on the other video, or on Logan Adventures. See you guys. And guys, yes, I got glasses. We got Draco too. Okay guys, see you guys in the video actually. So guys, it's been raining for about 2 days straight like this. It was pouring like a day ago. But I'll show you guys the river right now. Sorry, they gotta get the rain off so don't get rain on it. Because it's been raining for 2 days straight right now. I'll show you guys the water. Because I need to cross the road, so I need to put the phone in my pocket because it's pouring. Yee! Check the sides. So, yee! So guys, I'm showing you guys how the rain is. Dang, bro, it's rainy here. Show you guys how the rain is, or how the river is. 2 days straight of rain. God dang it, the grass, bro. I'm wearing shoes on. I should be wearing boots. The water's normally a foot lower. This is what it looks like when it's raining 2 days straight. See you guys next time. Goodbye.